A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am!
No, he's lying. He made that entire thing up.
Aw, you already seem so close.
Wow, 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 wow.
Finish it up in there!
What you making for lunch?
Curry.
Yeah. The hell? Devils do house calls?
Well. What a dismal abode you have here.
Why's my place Psycho-Central?
Because I know that space is secure enough, and I also trust you more than anybody else.
It's mine now!
Give me my super toast back!
Oh, great. Thought I told both of you to work on your manners.
Your point?
That won't get me anywhere, so
half-witted
shove your
humans
manners
don't
up your
command
a-hole,
me.
a-hole! Hayakawa, sir.
My liege.
Better.
Sweetness.
Huzzah! Mine!
Dude, he's
May I have a word, sir? Can we really entrust our backs to the two newcomers?
If either tries to run or double-cross us, then they die on the spot.
Boo, you're treating us like we're livestock.
'Cause you don't get human rights.
You think he's still pissed about this morning? That's gotta be it, right?
In hindsight, it's clear our prank went too far.
Pranks aren't anywhere near that file! Go to hell!
The toilet? I'm the type who seldom flushes my feces.
Not in this house.
That's nasty.
I'm the type who seldom chooses to bathe.
Get your butt in there!
You totally reek!
Humans are so delicate. Far too obsessed with remaining clean. Aren't they, meowie wowie? I am all for Team Kill Denji!
Hey!
My Nobel Prize will remain forever out of reach if I am unable to depart this warped hotel. Die for my award-winning idea.
Fiends can't make legitimate pacts with devils. Even if you did feed it Denji, it wouldn't be compelled to let us escape. So Team Kill Denji is disbanded. We're devil hunters. We only kill devils.
Shall we wrestle to cure our boredom?
I'm not wrestling the captain of Team Kill Denji!
I think it's possible time on the 8th floor has been frozen by a devil's power. And if that's the case, we won't be receiving any help.
No shit? We could sleep all we want now!
Exactly how stupid are you?
The fiend you brought with you.
Is she okay? Did something happen?
I'm thinking of ways to win the Nobel Prize in order to battle my boredom. For once I have earned such glorious esteem, all you humans will kowtow to me. I'll then make a stepping stone out of that gilded coin and snatch the Prime Minister's throne! What better way to ensure the suffering of lowly mortals? And my first act shall be to implement a 100% sales tax!
Nah, she's always like that.
Oh,